If you're looking for a way to store all your filament in one area so that way you can just take it right off and then use it on your printer, this is a nice holder that can do that. Took about 5 minutes to set this up. I was sent this filament roll holder to review for this video, and I can definitely say that it's doing a great job of holding everything the way that I need to. I can easily grab my filament for when it comes time, for when my AMS is empty, or if I want to load it on the external spool holders there. You've got 4 rods on here that just screw onto the sides. You've got 4 feet on the bottom that you can screw up and down so that way you can adjust the height of it. You can hold 12 rolls of filament on here, whether they be on the spool, whether they be just in the package as a refill, and or if you want to just put empty spools on here, you can do that too. It does have a strap here that goes along right along the middle, so that way it will hold the smaller filament racks as well. And then as well as that, you also have a couple holes here on the inside. So if you want to put these bars on the inside to hold the filament, you could do that too. I'm just using this elastic piece that connects right here to help keep everything in place. But even without that there, it holds everything up really nicely. And I mean, it just does a really great job of doing what I need to, of just keeping all my filament in one spot so I can just take it out and then use it on my printer. So I mean, if you're looking for an easy way to store your filament, I would definitely say check this out. It's doing everything that it needs to do. It's a solid stand, holds 12 rolls of your filament. I would definitely say check this out.